Hey, good day, everyone. This is Daniel Murphy down here in Myrtle Beach with Beach Realty Group. You've seen the numbers above with regards to the condo market here in Myrtle Beach, and I just want to kind of go over those numbers and what they mean for you, either on the buying and or selling side. So if you look at all of these, if you've been paying attention to any of the emails that I send out or any of the videos, you know that last year I was projecting very slow growth in the condo side of the market. And what I mean by that is we weren't going to see those double-digit appreciation gains year over year. We weren't even going to really, I didn't think, see 6%. So as we're looking at this, you can see that the actual number of total condos over the course of the first quarter of this year with compared to the first quarter of last year, we did have more units sell. There was two actually additional units sold in that period of time. And there was a very slight bump in appreciation, 3% total. So I was a little off on those numbers. I thought we might see 5, but really it is only at 3%. There are probably a number of reasons for that, but most importantly, what I think we're seeing right now is the prices have come up to a position or a place where we're starting to lose a few of the buyers that were interested a year ago. The prices are starting to price out some of these potential buyers. Now, I think that will start to pick up as people earn more money. But currently, right now, again, we're on a kind of flat pace from last year. Now, if you look at the Oceanfront numbers, that's really a bit shocking number in the first quarter to see that although we had more units sold, that the actual average price per sale went down. Now, what that probably is attributed to is the fact that some of that higher end product, maybe like the North Beach units, something at Vista Del Mar, maybe not enough of those sold in the first quarter of this year as compared to last year. And so when you have those high end properties not selling at the same pace, it's going to have an effect. So I don't really think that the market is down on prices for Oceanfront. I just think it's probably changed very little, maybe a flat line, maybe up to 3% appreciation. But honestly, what I'm seeing, about 4% down from last year. And then on the golf course condo side, shockingly, that number is doing very well. Now, what that probably is a lot to do with, I mean, up 8%. A lot of that's probably just going to have to do with certain ones that were sold. Some of the higher end golf course condos that were sold, maybe Grand Dunes. Something over maybe a Governor's Landing and Wachesaw Landing, those will bump those prices up. But what I think it probably is we're starting to see people who are priced out of that Oceanfront product moving over onto the golf course side of things and purchasing, and that's helping the numbers there as well. So overall, what I would recommend is if you're looking to potentially get a price on your condo in today's market, now is a great time. We are not going to see a ton of gain in the market year over year for this year, I don't believe. I think we'll still continue to sell. I think there'll be high volumes of sales sold, just not those numbers that we were seeing previously. So it's a good time to take a look at it. If you're on the buying side, again, the prices aren't dropping any. You're not going to get a better price next year. Best case scenario, you're going to pay slightly more than you are today. The big difference for you as a consumer is going to be what do the interest rates do, and is it going to cost you more to borrow the money next year than it does today. Again, this is Daniel Murphy down here in Myrtle Beach. If you have any questions about your property, certainly reach out anytime. Thanks so much.